Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter on my 1995 Oldsmobile Aurora V8. There's only one air filter, which is located on the driver's side. The air filter that I bought was $20 from Canadian Tire. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can also find some on Amazon as well. One thing I've never seen before on any car that I've owned is a resonator for the air filter. So that's what we will be removing first using a flathead screwdriver as shown here. And that's the resonator box here, which is so cool to see. So the resonator helps eliminate engine noise and smooth airflow. So this in turn kind of helps with efficiency. Like I said before, I've never seen this on any newer car that I've owned. So this is quite interesting to see, and the attention to detail on this Aurora is quite impressive for 1995, and especially coming from General Motors. Now we'll disconnect the air sensor. So make sure you be gentle with this, because at the end of the day this is a 31-year-old vehicle and the plastic is definitely brittle. Now we have to loosen this clamp. Like I mentioned before, I love the attention to detail on this car. Usually you have a flathead screwdriver to loosen the clamp here, but on this Aurora you have this key type adjuster here, which is really convenient, and I've never seen this on any other car before. So once that is loosened, you can kind of remove the air box, kind of like this. And the air box does have two clips, so you got to make sure to unclip it before you remove it. See, the clips are the ones you see on the left side there. There's one right there and there. So now we have access to the filter. So last time I changed the filter was about 3 years ago when I first got the car. So I don't expect it to be too bad. Let's take a look. And yeah, it's not terrible. It could be worse. Just a little bit of debris here and there, which makes sense because I don't drive this too much. But I'm still going to replace it with the new one and keep this old one just in case. So make sure to clean off any debris that's down here on in the housing area before installing the new filter. So here's the new filter. So just gently install that back in. And then make sure there are no gaps surrounding the filter before putting the air box in. So just run your hands through all four corners and check for any gaps. Now we can install the air box again. Make sure to be very gentle, as this again is a 31-year-old vehicle. There could be a lot of brittle plastic, and you really don't want to break anything because replacement parts are very difficult to find. So slide this in and then make sure it locks on the right side. And then there's two clips which I will show you on the left. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just sliding that in, make sure it's locked in on the right side. Now you just kind of have to press this in just like that. There we go. It's a nice snug fit. Again, check for gaps. Okay, so now let's clip it back on. So here's the clip. So you got to make sure you hear the clicking noise. So that's when it's fully secured in. After that's secured in, we can install the air-filled air sensor again. So now we just got to tighten the clamp for the air box here. Again, it's super convenient. I really appreciate this key style clamp, and I've never seen this before, and I wish more vehicles have this. So now we can put back our resonator. It's just so funny to me that this car has a resonator for the airbox. I don't know, the attention to detail is just very impressive. So once that's back in, let's just use our flathead screwdriver and tighten the clamp for the resonator. And that's pretty much it. It's a very simple, straightforward project if you own a 1995 Oldsmobile Aurora. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you all next time.